Sabihin tayo sa pagkanta na happy birthday. Ready? In 1, 2, 3. Wala pa. Ready? Happy birthday to you. Again. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ready? Clap your hands. Dun, 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 dun. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. One more. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Alright, so this is Sabrina. So close your eyes and make a wish before blow your candle. So syempre hindi pa makakapag-blow yung ating birthday girl. So syempre si Mami and si Daddy na ang mag-blow para sa kanya. In count 1 to 5. In 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Blow! Yes! So hindi po dyan nakukumpleto ang lahat kung wala ang birthday message ng kanyang parents.